Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, I always do a monthly giveaway. So for the month of June, it is the I'm Smoking Hot Palette. I will leave a link in the description box down below, and it will show you to the video where I talk about this and tell you how to enter. Also, I have a big giveaway going when this channel reaches 200 subscribers, so help us get there. I'm not one to easily show my vulnerable side, and so before we get into this video, I just kind of wanted to update you on some stuff that's going on. I have a fairly large kidney stone that they have to go in and operate on next week. And so some of you guys have been asking, what's going on? You kind of seem a little out of it. That would be why. It's just a lot of pain, and so they're going to go in and take care of it, and I'll be good to know. I am going to pre-film a couple of videos for you guys, so hopefully there won't be too big of a gap when I upload. So enough of that, now let's jump into why you guys came. The FabFitFun Mystery Bundle, my favorite time. So if you are new to FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a seasonal box, and it ships out every quarter. You have a chance to do what they call add-ons to that box, where there are items that are hugely discounted, and they have what's called a mystery bundle that you can kind of add on. And so that's what I have done, and it's $29, and you get at least 3 full-size products in it. I've done it in the past. I've always been really lucky with what I've got. They've always been really good, so I am anxious to jump into this one. First item is from Nume. I did get in a mystery bundle before our curling rod, and so this is their Fashionista Straightener Professional Flat Iron. I've been loving the curling rod, so I am anxious to try this one out. Retails for $119, and just a little bit about it. It's the Fashionista Hair Straightener is made with 1-inch pure tourmaline ceramic floating plates that transform your hairstyle from frizzy to silky smooth and defined curls. So most of the time my hair is natural, it's really curly and thick, and every once in a while I kind of want to straighten it out, do a little something different. Infrared heat and negative ion conditioning technologies evenly heat your strands and lock in hydration for your healthiest hairstyles. This tourmaline ceramic straightener is safe for all hair types. I'm in love with this color. It's this really pretty turquoise. I know it's kind of showing up blue on the viewfinder, but this is gorgeous. Love it. Can't wait to try it out. Next we have from ESYM. It is their Yoga Matte Spray in Eucalyptus. Is awaken the senses and inspire a yoga experience with 100% natural handcrafted aroma. Spray as needed. It's supposed to energize, refresh, and inspire your yoga practice. It's $18. You can smell the eucalyptus. I think it smells really pretty. Love it. Next we have from Summer and Rose. I have a black purse from theirs that I got in a FabFitFun box that I've been really loving. How cute is this clutch? So it basically folds over. So if you had something really big, I guess you could carry it like this, but it's meant to kind of go like this. So this is the Roni style in Burgundy, and it's about $50. And it's got a pocket down here where you can put your credit cards and stuff, and it's all really nicely lined on the inside, and it has kind of a protective plastic right now just over the zipper. I think this is super chic. I would probably use this more in the fall and winter months, but I really like it. I didn't know that Tarte made hair products. Did you guys? Here's their Tarte Hair Goals Dry Shampoo. It's a high-performance vegan dry shampoo. Instantly lifts, oils, and refreshes hair while naturally thickening ingredients inspired by Tarte's iconic mascaras lift roots and boost volume. Let's recommend a dry mist shampoo, absorbs dirt, oil, sweat, and odor to extend the life of your blowouts. So I don't really get my hair blowout, so I'm gonna pass this on to one of my girlfriends who I know who does. This does retail for $19. So I think by far my favorite item is this straightener. I think this is a really gorgeous color, love it. What were your guys' favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you get mystery bundles? Do you get something differently? Let me know. I love chatting with you guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like our videos, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.